This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. While we're back home, let's take a look at the result. You see that the Inster was actually faster in spec. It's supposed to be 10.6 seconds. It was 10 seconds. Maybe because it's such a light car and they estimate that you should have some weight in there. You see, only 116 horsepower. But compared to some competitors, ID3, this is 55 kilowatt hour. It's the pure, whatever it's called. It is a lot faster. But you see, ID3, this is not the most powerful ID3. You see, only 148 horsepower, not the 204 that you have in the higher trim. But still a lot faster than Inster, around almost 2 seconds, 1.8 seconds. But also, further up here, wait, there, Dolphin, wow, 6.9 seconds, huh? Dolphin has 204 horsepower, and it's also quite affordable, but Linglong tires even. So, look at that. So here, the Inster actually has the worst performance versus similar priced EVs. When it comes to noise, Inster, okay, at low speed, it actually performs really well. You see that it's quieter than some of the other cars, maybe because of the tire dimension, or I'm not sure. But then at higher speed, sounds like wind noise is more noticeable. So around 67 decibel average, well, even beat Plaid, huh? Not too bad, right? But 67 decibels. So compared to some of the other cars, well, they were not tested on winter tires. They were tested on summer tires. And in general, summer tires might be around 1 decibel noisier because they are harder. So here, that's ID3, 68. So on winter tires, probably around 67 something decibel, right? So here could seem like the ID3 has worse noise. And then further up here, we have Dolphin, roughly on par maybe with Inster. And then when it comes to braking, also tested that, because it's such a light car. So I thought, okay, maybe it will do it well. But actually right on par with Ioniq 6, a lot heavier. Yeah, so it's a little bit disappointing. I thought it would brake better, but maybe the limitation is that we have winter tires. Winter tires, they are in general soft and they don't grip that well on dry asphalt. They are made for snow and ice, right? So see, the winter tire will always be on the bottom. And then here, it doesn't make sense to compare against the other cars because these are on summer tires, so of course they will perform better. Yeah, there was also an ID3, but I didn't have the ID3 Pure or whatever tested here. So yeah, performance-wise, seems like the Inster is below some of the other cars, but maybe Inster is better when it comes to how much space you get internally versus the external size, because in this comparison, Inster is a lot smaller than Dolphin and ID3 external wise. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.